Hey Loopie, we are talking about you. It's not just a robot, instead, it's an educational robotic factory system, which is called Loopie. Whether you are a teacher teaching science, or students with a passion for science and robotics, or a beginning robotics enthusiast like me, use 3D Print and LoopMind based on the Unreal Engine. You will be able to make and control your own unique Loopie. Start with the basic robot and assemble any form you can imagine. Let's look at an example. I put together a wheel-legged construction Loopie, assembled and ready to go. Modular magnetic joint design, adaptable to different expansion kits. Fully movable structure for pure structural beauty. Next, we go to manipulate the robot in LoopMind. Welcome to the LoopMind, the simulator of Robot Factory. Learn to control the robot by following the arrow guidance. The LoopMind simulator supports the joystick input. All robot parts will be open sourced on the Maker World. Make whatever you want. Want to skip printing and have Loopie right now? No problem. We have prepared Loopie Beginners Kit for beginners and those who don't have 3D printer. We will continue to update Loopie's expansion widgets. You can download all the information on hongidesign.top. Don't wait. Join the Loopie ecosystem right now.